Ah yes, Windows XP. It's pretty hard not to love with its pleasing user interface, easy navigation, and 3D Pinball. Let's just admit it, 3D Pinball is the best part of Windows XP. But it sold over 300,000 copies in the first 3 days after launch, and there's a reason for that. But did you know that Windows XP just turned 20 years old? Yeah, the release build was compiled on the 17th of August 2001. Today, I will be checking out Windows XP 20 years later, performing some updates on the system, and checking out some daily use scenarios. Happy 20th, Windows XP! Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Windows XP has turned 20 years old, at least the final build was built 20 years ago on this day on August 17th, 2021. Now, to celebrate this, we are going to be installing Windows XP in VMware Workstation Pro. We are going to be installing updates, and finally we're going to be testing how it works out today, 20 years later, for daily use. So, first of all, we're going to create a new virtual machine here. I'm going to put in my ISO. And now I'm going to put in my product key, and there we go. So we are going to name this Windows XP Professional, and I'm going to give this 40 gigabytes of disk space, and yeah, we're going to power on this virtual machine, and we will soon be in the Windows XP installer. I'm just going to go to full screen here. I'm just going to stretch it a bit. And now we're in the Windows XP installer, and I will see you guys after the installer is done. And here we are at the Windows XP desktop. I guess that sound is dreadful. Okay, that's just a VMware thing. I don't know what happened. But it should go to the desktop in just a second. And there we go. Let's click OK. Setting up personalized settings for Internet Explorer 6. We're going to be replacing that with Internet Explorer 8 soon, I think. There we go. Now we have the Luna theme. And there we go. Here we are at the Windows XP desktop. We're going to be setting the resolution here to 1920 by 1080. Apply. There we go. Now obviously Windows XP wasn't meant for this high of a resolution, hence the wallpaper is extremely stretched to fit the resolution, but yeah, we have Windows XP here. VMware Tools is installing so that we can get smoother cursor and stuff. I'm just gonna set the theme to olive green and the wallpaper to wind. And there we go. So VMware Tools is installing here. It's going to be finished in a second, so I will see you guys after. Now VMware Tools has finished installing. The sound is still dreadful. I have no idea why VMware messed up the sound like that, but they did, so. Okay, now it's back at the desktop. Your computer might be at risk. So I guess we're going to set the resolution. We can go up all the way to 3840 by 2400. That's not even 4K. I mean, that's higher than 4K. Oh my god. I can't imagine using Windows XP in 4K. Let's switch to 4K here. I don't even have a 4K monitor. I don't know why. Okay, 1920 by 1080. That's my resolution. There we go. So now we have Windows XP from 2001. I mean, it's Service Pack 3, so it's from 2007, but you get it. So yeah, what we're going to be doing now is installing updates and the like, so I'll see you guys in a second. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing a modern browser for XP. called MyPal, and it's a Pale Moon fork, if I recall correctly, that is meant for Windows XP, that pretty much works with all websites. So we're gonna click next, and yeah, MyPal is finished installing, so it should launch, and there we go. We have MyPal. I'm gonna help about MyPal, and yeah, this MyPal browser is based on Pale Moon, adapted for Windows XP in 2003. So this is, in my opinion, the best browser for XP. Now, you can go on websites. I'm just gonna go to my favorite YouTube channel here. There we go. This is my favorite YouTube channel here. He kind of checks out Windows builds and all that. You should definitely subscribe to him. But anyway, this is just like a demonstration on how MyPal works. We can go to Twitter, which you should definitely follow my Twitter here. Right here. Should follow my Twitter, Orbitron14. And yeah, so first of all, we're going to be installing Internet Explorer 8 for Windows XP. It can be found on oldversion.com, right here. We're going to download it, and we can't. That's awesome, amazing. Well. Now it's working. So we're going to start the download. We're going to save it. Just going to save it to the desktop. And I'm pretty sure Internet Explorer 8 is the last version of Internet Explorer to work with Windows XP. Also, it's either my Wi-Fi that's terrible or the website speeds that are terrible when it's downloading at 100 kilobytes a second. No, like 200 kilobytes a second. 4 seconds remaining. I mean, a few seconds remaining, it's not wrong, but it's also not right. Come on, hurry up. And it's finished downloading, so we're going to run it. And now we're going to click next, accept, next. And now it is downloading updates for Internet Explorer, which probably stopped around 5 years ago. Okay, so Internet Explorer 8 is finished installing. We're going to restart the computer. I'm not sure why it has to restart. The sound is still awful. I don't know why it's like that. But anyway, it is going to reboot the system. Okay, so now it is back. At the desktop here, the sound seems to be fixed. And now, I guess we can take a tour of Windows XP.
Welcome to Windows XP from Microsoft. New version of Windows that
I never noticed that the reflection sort of like shifts to the right.
Experience Windows XP. Best for business. Windows XP Professional shine.
Skip the intro. Okay.
To begin the tour, click any selection.
Okay then.
With Windows XP, you get the proven dependable. Windows XP makes personal computing easy and enjoyable.
Zoo is where most of the music in my videos comes from.
At home, at work, and on the internet. Photography, music, videos, computer gaming. Share files, photos, music, even a friendly new screens. Simplify.
So yeah, so now we're going to be installing an update for Internet Explorer 8. Okay, so we're going to install the Microsoft Internationalized Domain Names Mitigation APIs. We're going to click next. I agree. Next. And this isn't going to take very long. See, it's already finished. So we're going to click finish. And now we have Internet Explorer 8 on here. So that's pretty good. This was included with Windows 7 RTM, if I recall correctly. So yeah, next thing we're going to be installing is the Windows Update Agent. Actually, the next thing we're going to be installing is the Visual C++ 2012 redistributable. Going to install that. Okay, so setup is finished. We're going to click close. And now we're going to be installing the Windows Update Agent. The Windows Update Agent installer, we're going to click next. I agree. next. Now we're already doing quite a lot of modifications to this. We're gonna click finish. And now what we're going to do is add a Windows Server Update Service server, which is basically, it's hosting Windows updates locally on your PC. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to paste this in here. I forgot that YouTube just did redirect links like this. Anyways, we are going to download this. We're going to save it to the desktop. And actually, we need to install 7-zip. So we're going to go to the 7zip.org website. We're going to click 32-bit x86, save file to the desktop, and now there we go. Run, install. Now 7-zip is installed. So now we're going to extract this folder, WSUS proxy NT5. We're going to click add WSUS, and it's going to take a minute. We're going to click any key, and now we're going to run WSUS. We're going to unblock, and now it is running a WSUS server. So now we are going to install the Windows Update Mini tool. So now I've downloaded the Windows Update Mini tool here. I'm going to extract this, and now we're going to run WUMT x86, and there we go. Now we're going to click this button here to check for updates, and it is going to check for updates, well, obviously. So once all these updates are, well, once it is done searching for all these updates, all these will show up in this area right here. And as you can see, this command prompt window is showing up connections, and that just shows that it is basically searching for updates, and it has received updates. So soon they are going to show up here, and now it is done searching for updates. There's a lot of updates there. The updates go to July 2014, even after support ended. So here we are going to click install updates, and it is going to, we're going to select all, then we're going to install the updates. And while I was at it, I decided to change the wallpaper to Bliss as it looked in 2006, and it's pretty sad. But still does the job. It's accurate. And it goes well with the olive green theme that I have applied. Now I'm going to show off the different types of themes here. So we have olive green, and we have silver, which I'm not really the biggest fan of. It looks pretty nice, but I like the olive green theme the best, simply because everything kind of matches each other. The start button's green, the taskbar is green, the title bars are green. And we're going to wait for all these to install. It has downloaded 30 updates so far. It's showing the progress here. And it's downloading, all these updates I'm guessing are like 300 megabytes in size each. So, a good thing I put 40 gigabytes of hard disk space in here. The XP install was only like 2 gigabytes I think, so that's pretty good. So now while we're at it, I'm going to check out some of Windows XP's built-in applications. So, first of all, Windows Media Player. This was kind of deprecated in Windows 10 with the Groove Music app. And yeah, this is Windows Media Player 9. It's going to be updated to Windows Media Player 11, which was included with Windows Vista. Just a second, if Media Player will respond. Hello? I guess it's kind of updating. Okay. And yeah, Media Guide. It's kind of using the Internet Explorer 8 window here. But you can click Now Playing to get the visualizations. And you can click here to open songs. I'm just gonna play the best song, title.wma. I'm working on a video about title.wma actually. But here you go. can change the player's color. There's a lot of different colors here. I saw a olive color that I actually kind of liked. There we go, that one's good. And I really like these visualizations that came with Windows Media Player. I think they're really nice. I don't know why they got rid of them. You can stretch them. Here is the smallest visualization you can get. And yeah, it's really just making the title bars and stuff transparent. It's Aero Glass Transparency! Okay. Right now, it is installing these updates here. It's installing Windows Media Player 11 now, so I don't know what's gonna happen when Media Player 9 is running, but who knows? Now, all of the system updates have been installed, so we are going to reboot the system. And there we go, there's the shutdown sound. And now we are at the logon screen. We're going to log on here. There's the startup sound. And as you can see, we have a little desktop search toolbar here. I have no idea what added this, to be honest. There should have been a notification saying Windows XP support ended on April 8th, 2014, but whatever. Okay, let's click this balloon. Recommendations. Okay, whatever. So one thing that you'll notice, if you go to search desktop, Windows Search has been completely overhauled. There's an update to Windows Search that completely overhauled the search interface. There's no more rover dog. It's kind of sad. But you can search. So I'm just gonna search 7Z, I guess. And there we go. It searched for 7Z, anything with 7Z in the name, and there we go. I'm just gonna clean up my desktop here, so I'm gonna remove these. During the updates, like I enabled the quick launch toolbar. I find this kind of convenient. There's Windows Media Player here. Validate your copy of Windows. Enable the firewall. Cannot turn on Windows Firewall. Amazing. Is it validating? Okay then. Dr. Watson, postmortem debugger. Everything's crashing. Oh no, the walls are falling down. Run. Windows Media Player has crashed, I guess. Decided me to open my PAL. Nothing's working. My copy of Windows XP is broken. Just end the task. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try running Windows Media Player again. Let's try validating it. And there we go, accept. We're gonna choose Express Settings. It's not installed properly. Whoa, yeah! Okay. Well, I guess we're not getting Windows Media Player. Kinda sucks. I just hate when Windows Media Player... I just hate when Windows Media Player breaks. So anyway, we got Microsoft Security Essentials, BC status at risk. Okay, let's update. Close and minimize the app window during this update. Well, I guess we'll do that. What's this? What updates is it downloading? Okay, anyways. We're going to check out some of the functions of Windows XP. So we have the Windows XP Tour. I've already checked that out. The remote desktop connection has been updated to include Windows Vista graphics. Outlook Express hasn't been updated. I'm already connected to the internet. Okay, yeah, the sounds are broken. But if I wanted to fix the sounds, I would have had to run Windows Media Player, and Windows Media Player is broken. So, I guess you're just gonna have to deal with a really crappy sound. So we're gonna check out the system sounds. Really buggy sound. But to fix the sound, you have to run Windows Media Player in the background. And Windows Media Player is broken, so... I would have rather ran this on actual hardware, but I don't really have actual hardware to run this on. So, because on actual hardware, this wouldn't have happened. Oh yeah, Windows Messenger. It exists. Windows Messenger version 4.7. Obviously Windows Messenger doesn't work. And the sound just fixed itself. Whoa. Did anybody even use NetMeeting? Like, just a genuine question. And that is all the sounds in Windows XP. You can go to speech.
You have selected Microsoft SAM as the computer's default voice.
And the computer's only voice. Anyways, got the files and settings transfer wizard. Still has a lot of the Windows 2000 sort of graphics. I'm still curious as to what updates it's installing. Connection failed. Did the internet just kind of shut off? I think my internet just shut off. See, this is the problem with Internet Explorer. It won't even run Google without giving me certificate errors. And yeah, get vaccinated. I don't have to tell you this. Anyway, we have MSN. It's giving me security alerts. That's not good. Just let me connect. Canada. Working. This icon looks kind of cool. I guess it's not gonna work. Well, There's remote assistance. I don't know what the difference between this is and remote desktop connection is. Oh, it's a help and support center. That's great. Okay. Sometimes that happens, yeah. But let's check out the game. So we have Free Cell. I have no idea how to play Free Cell. So I'm not even gonna bother. What's up with the start button today? Okay. We have Hearts. Again, I have no idea how to play Hearts. The only thing I know is that you have to get the lowest score. I'm just gonna throw away all my hearts. I have no idea how to play this game. I probably lost. I did. Pauline lost. 3rd place. Awesome. Okay. Next, we have internet. The internet games. These shut down in 2017, so I'm not. No, in 2019, so I'm not even gonna bother. Minesweeper. It's Minesweeper. And then we have 3D Pinball Space Cadet. The objectively the best game in Windows XP. That is not an opinion. That is fact. So we're gonna play a little game here. See how high of a score I can get. There we go. 1,406,750. That's a pretty good score. So we can exit that. We could check out Solitaire. It's pretty straightforward. I already know how to play Solitaire pretty well. So yeah, it's not really that much else to say here. And the next game is Spider Solitaire. Anyway, that was Spider Solitaire. That's all the games in Windows XP. That's really. There's also Paint, which is pretty fun. I'm just gonna draw Windows logo. There we go. — 2001. There we go. No. Okay. There's Windows Movie Maker, which is a classic. Edit movie. We could add titles. Shut. This isn't gonna stop, is it? Okay. Anyways. Oh my god. Anyways, we're gonna add a title. Windows XP turns 20. Not 29. Anyway, Windows XP turns 20, August 17th, 2001. Is there still the sample videos? No, there isn't. That sucks. Will you shut up? Anyways, we're going to just make a little movie here. This is Bliss, scene 2006. Title of the movie. Yeah, there we go. This is Bliss. And I guess that could be our movie. Finished movie. Saved to my computer. Movie. Best quality. This movie's only like 8 seconds long, so. Play movie when I click finish. Oh my god, I forgot Windows Media Player was broken. That's really sad. Can we install VLC? Hold on. Can you install VLC on Windows XP? There's no reason you shouldn't be able to install VLC on Windows XP. It is a very, simple program. Save file. Let's try to install it. Oh, it's working! I'm surprised. It's actually working. Or it could be like Steam where it installs, but it says it's not compatible after you've already installed it. Let's just wait for it to finish this, I guess. Okay, so VLC is finished. And it works! That is very surprising, actually. So if we go to Documents, Videos, Movie, can we play it in VLC? Yes, we can! Okay, Windows XP turns 20. Okay, it works! I'm very surprised, actually. So, that's Windows Movie Maker. Cancel. Okay, what is Microsoft Silverlight? Is it gonna tell me what Silverlight is? Silverlight can play audio and video content protected by digital rights management. What is this? Wait a second. I wanna try something. Wait, hold on. I wanna try the sound recorder. No, stop. Okay, sound recorder. Is it gonna work? Test. Oh wait, it might be working. It did work! Oh, it might be working. Yeah, that works. Okay. Well, my microphone works. That's really all there is to see. Now we're going to test the day-to-day use scenario for Windows XP. So, we have MyPal set as our default browser. And now we can, first of all, I'm going to install Office XP on this virtual machine. Go. I've put in the Office XP ISO. It's connected to the virtual machine. No. Okay, now it is. Okay, so I've put in the Microsoft Office XP ISO. I need a product key. I don't have a product key. I will be a few minutes. Okay, so I've put in my product key. I'm going to accept the terms, click next, and I'm going to install now. Install. And yeah, Office XP should be installed, and it should install. We should check out what features Office XP has and how it can be used day to day in 2021. Obviously, I do not recommend using Windows XP in 2021. It ran out of support 7 years ago. Applications are slowly not going to be able to work, and they stopped putting out updates a while back, so just don't use Windows XP. And Office XP setup is finished. And it replaced the Microsoft Outlook with the Outlook 2002. Sure. Orbitron. I don't know. Can just cancel. Sure. Okay. So Outlook Express. Oh wait. Okay, whatever. Anyways, so we have Outlook 2002 here. We can go to help. Show the Office Assistant. Hey, it's Clippy! Okay. Okay, animate. That's pretty cool. Let's animate. Yep. Okay. Okay, well. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, so we also have, Excel, Access, Front Page, Outlook, PowerPoint, and Word. We're going to check out Microsoft Word. activate later. Okay, subscribe to Orbitron for a cookie. $4.99 and check out aisle. They're located at aisle 3. Okay. There's Clippy. We can go through the other office assistants. There's the Dot, F1, Office Logo, Merlin, Mother Nature, Lynx, and Rocky. If you fall into a ravine, call Lassie. Who's Lassie? Okay, whatever. It's probably an in-joke that I don't get. Okay. I'm gonna choose the office logo. It's not available. What? Why didn't you just install them? Okay, well, there's the office logo there. Can animate it. I don't really know what there is to animate with the office logo. Well, it's glowing. Pretty cool. Let's check out. Oh, it's leaving. Okay. Let's check out Excel. Activate later. Exit. Okay. So we're just gonna subscribers. Not subscribers. 0.2% of people who watch my content are actually subscribed. 99.8% of people that watch my content aren't subscribed. What are you doing? Subscribe, guys. Like, actually, what are you guys doing? And I have 1.2 thousand subscribers, so how could I... Imagine how many more subscribers I would have if all the people that weren't subscribed actually subscribed. Like, how... Like, that would be insane. So, subscribe, to boost my ego. Okay, so, gotta click no. Now, we're gonna check out front page. Actually, I have no idea what front page is. Oh, it's... website. HTML. Orbitron's epic website. Please subscribe. I'm begging you. Please, I'm on my knees. And, body. Let's just put that on the desktop. Let's view it. Whoops. Need to remember. Oh, okay. That's probably what I was doing wrong. I forgot to put brackets around it. Save it. Press again. No. What? Oh my god, stop trying to get me activated. I swear to god. Try this. Nope. Okay, whatever. Okay. Next thing we're going to be trying out is PowerPoint. We're going to activate later. Shut up. Okay. Windows XP 08/17/2001. Yeah, it's with the office. It's put the office logo in the middle of my presentation. Okay, new slide. Why Windows XP is good? It's old. Okay. Let's view my epic. Shut up! Okay, let's view my epic presentation here. Hey, here's Windows XP, August 17th, 2001. Okay, here's why Windows XP is good. It's old. Okay. Now we're going to test what it's like doing day-to-day use. We're going to use MyPal as our browser here. The default browser here is DuckDuckGo. So we could do basic searching like stocks, Nasdaq.com. It has the stock market activity here. You can also sorta watch YouTube. I mean, I don't know why you would, but you can. If it's gonna load at all. And it did load. I don't want YouTube Premium. Okay. So yeah, here's YouTube on Windows XP here. You could watch videos. Do basic image searching. Bliss. That's not the Bliss I want. There we go. There's Bliss. And there's basic image searching. Basically, on MyPal, you could pretty much do any basic web task. You could probably watch porn if you like. But, anyway. So yeah, that is Windows XP in 2021. Happy 20th birthday. I will see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.